Okay, so here's how you convert a YouTube video into a blog post. So I turned this into this in just 20 seconds. As you see here, it's the same video, right? It has a whole blog post about it. And you just click here to post it straight to my site. So how you do it is pretty straightforward. Just go here, copy the URL,
I'm Jimmy.
Go to journalist.com or tryjournalist.com, excuse me. Go to generate articles, click YouTube, paste the URL right here. Select the language, let's just do English, right? You can play around with the formatting, you can add images, right? You can just auto-translate it to multiple languages if you want, right? And then just click here, generate article. And the output is going to be exactly what I did a few seconds back, which is a whole article about this, right? And again, if there's something I don't like, I can just click here, this little icon right here, edit with AI, and I can say, for example, I don't really like that this sentence is a bit too short. Let's just do make it longer. I want to add a bit more context to the article. And the AI is just make it longer. Let's say, for example, I want to add links here. So just to add links, add external links. Now the AI will read through the whole article and find the best places to add links to. And I can just select the ones I want as such, right? I can select all. There you go. We have links here. Now, of course, you can do all this manually, but why would you when you can just use AI to do it so much faster for you? Let's say, for example, I don't really like this image. Let's just say, for example, put them under water, right? I don't know, excuse me, why you want to do this, but you can, right? And it will take into account the same context, right? Two people, right, kissing underwater. There we go. Boom, accept, right? You can do a lot of stuff here. I can take this, for example, and turn it into a table, turn it into a list. I can even add custom prompts like write this as someone who's very sad, right? You can play around with this. There's infinite things you can do here with the AI. And you can just click here and post it straight to my site. Now I call it integration because you can post it basically to any CMS out there. So whether that's Shopify, Wix, Webflow, Ghost, Blogger, Squarespace, WordPress, Zapier, even custom API. So you can just post it straight to your site in a few seconds. That's it. Again, tryjournalist.com, click on YouTube, click here, and then you can convert essentially any video into a blog post. Now, you can even give it some custom instructions in case you want to give it like a bit more context, a bit more prompting to the AI, but that's essentially it. Give it a go, tryjournalist.com, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers.